Much to the delight of the people, Chief Minister inaugurates Sanjendong Bridge. Gaikhangam describes the day as historic. Bharatiya Janata Party slams Congress of inaugurating Sanjendong Bridge in apprehension of defeat in the upcoming by-elections. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh opens the Tribal Cultural Festival, describes Manipur as mini India. And Manipur University Youth Festival kicks off to 700 students from 25 colleges of Manipur to compete in 25 events in the festival. Hello, good evening and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News and I'm Kishore Chandrawal Kemcha with the top stories and latest news till this hour of the day. At last, the countdown is over and much to the delight of the people, Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh and Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam today handed over the newly constructed Sanjendong Bridge to the people of Manipur. The bridge was inaugurated early this morning. In his inaugural address, Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh appealed to the people not to be upset as the bridge could not be inaugurated before the last year's Manipur Sangai Festival. Ibobi said the bridge was constructed with the funds from Donor Ministry and State Fund. He said after dismantling the 50-year-old bridge, the government planned to build a diversion bridge. He said it could not be constructed following objection from some section of the people. Chief Minister also mentioned that construction material for the bridge was imported from outside and it took more time to complete the bridge due to economic blockades and bans. Ibobi said the work at the Kangla part could not be completed due to bad weather.
Thongsi main bridge di loire atai beautification part footpath chatli bisai da tiles napkini hai atai mai gi beautification adum chatna adum tawba yaba adagi makha da beautification tawba sidai stone pitching toriba sumaina napkadaba khotkadaba ama khrasu watli hai si sing sidi adum tamna adum tawba yabani adum mayam puna maksing se ai khoi gi department na soidana company simplex project tanaga wathoriba machit makhak haiba tare masi tum loinanaba khoi hona biu haina thamjaraga masidai da saringai gi perchida inconvenience thokiba mayamdo madugi ai regret tawjari manipur gi praja singda madugi apologize tawjari.
Describing the day as historic, Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam said the dream has come true for the people of the state. Gaikhangam said Sanjendong Bridge is not only a bridge used for commuting, but it will add to the beautification of Imphal city. He maintained that frequent economic blockade and ban could not stop the development work in the state. It may be recalled that the old Sanjendong Bridge was dismantled on March 2013. The Kolkata-based company MS Simplex Project Limited started the construction work of the new bridge on June 7, 2014.
Nungobina no ngaibugum prajasing na khorana ngarakpa ngasidi ayana nangiba manglana do mangpaunare honorable chief minister na manipur prajagi mafamda khutsinare siname chekoi manipur gi itihas tadi yamna historic oiba itihasik oiba dodumba numit oiragani masistumnigi thong akoi prajasing gi convenience oiba sathok chasinda au achatta masigi khudong chaba pibatanatana Manipur amadi Imphal city asigi beautification dasu achauba thodang lobiradin khale.
Commuter expressed their happiness after the inauguration of the Sanjendong Bridge, which is an important route connecting Imphal East and Imphal West district. They, however, expressed apprehension that in case of northern side of CM Bungalow is closed, then it will create immense inconveniences to them.
Sangai festival nangnaba sangaba si yam nungai sungai ba leite khoi lambi koi jalam boda koi jaloi masi khan boda sungai ba leite khoi
mayamna kano tawni khoni nangoi kholoi sangai festival ado dan haram ba mayam do nang basi yam nungai nangai chinna thumutong da chalamba do kasi thong sina loibidagi papung bhana chatpa ngamgani haiba se agi thajajaba achetpa pafam.
Sanjendong Bridge, which is one of the important bridges connecting Imphal East and West district, was opened for the public today. The state government walked on a war footing to complete the 4-lane bridge before the Manipur Sangai Festival, which is beginning from 21st of this month. Even though it took a longer time to complete than the stipulated time, people expressed happiness at the completion of the bridge. However, people feel that the commuters are still facing the problem of excess traffic volume in many areas of the Greater Imphal.
ꯃꯁꯤ ꯁꯥꯕꯒꯤꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯕꯖꯥꯠꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯩꯗ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯔ ꯆꯤꯟꯕ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯇꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯈꯔ ꯆꯠꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯖꯥꯠꯂ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯟꯖꯩ
ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯨꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯆꯤꯟꯕ ꯀꯣꯝꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅꯕꯨ ꯆꯤꯟꯕꯇꯧ ꯇꯧꯏ
ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯅꯨꯡꯗꯥꯡ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯅꯤꯅꯕꯀꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯏꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯖꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯗꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠꯇꯤ ꯐꯖꯔꯦꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯈꯟꯖꯔꯦ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯅꯤꯗ ꯈꯔꯗꯤ ꯀꯣꯛꯀꯅꯤꯗ
ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯐꯥꯎꯖꯩ ꯏꯁꯥꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯄ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯂꯝꯗꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯏꯇꯥ ꯇꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯐꯤꯛ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯔꯀꯤꯡ ꯁꯤꯁꯇꯦꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯐꯖꯗꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯅꯁꯨ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯆꯤꯜꯍꯜꯂꯦꯕ.
The must talk about Sanjendong Bridge is finally open to the public and vehicles are flying on the bridge and people are also enjoying evening walk on the footpath on either side of the bridge. Although bridge is open to the public, the question of traffic volume in the Greater Imphal is still at large. Now it is time for Transport Department and concerned authority to find a feasible solution of the problem created by the ever increasing traffic volume in the state. With camera person Subhash Sungkham, this is Bhakta Tarambam reporting for Impact News, Sanjan Thong.
Bhakta Taramam there reporting from the newly constructed bridge Sanjan Thong. Meanwhile, Bharatiya Janata Party National Secretary General Secretary Ram Madhav slammed the Congress government for inaugurating the Sanjan Thong bridge in apprehension of defeat in the upcoming by-elections. Speaking to media at BJP office at India Part to Thek in connection with the welcoming of H.A. Vareshang, member of ADC Ukhrul who recently joined BJP, Ram Madhav alleged that it's a failure to set up industries and provide jobs to the people. Okhrumi Bobi-led Congress government is giving hardship to the people. BJP Manipur Pradesh President T.H. Chawba said Ukhrul unit of the party will be strengthened with H.A. Vareshang joining BJP. Mention may be made that H.A. Vareshang won the ADC election as independent candidate after he failed to get a BJP ticket.
For more than a decade now, corruption is rampant. There is no development, no employment, no industry. Only industry that is thriving under Mr. Ibobi Singh is the industry of insurgency. I know how much delay has happened in building this bridge. And 3 days would not have been a great delay. But you know, there is some desperation because we are challenging him on the development front. He has nothing much to showcase. So he wants to grab every opportunity that is available. So they want to do everything possible to, showcase that we are for your good, your welfare and all that. Good, let people judge.
Now, Chief Minister Okhrumi Bobi Singh today described Manipur as a mini India, opening the Tribal Cultural Festival at Tribal Research Institute in Chingmairong, reiterated that the hill areas of the state are already protected under the Manipur Land Revenue and Land Reform Act. He maintained that no citizen of India can possess the land in the hill district of Manipur. Ibobi said all the ethnic people living in the state should always remember that they have the same origin. The Chief Minister maintained that the government has always given due attention to the equal progress of the hills and the valley. He observed that even though only tribal occupy the hills which constitute 90% of the area, people of all ethnic groups live together in the valley which is only 10% of the area, and this shows that the people love integrity. Various traditional songs and dances were also performed by various tribes during the function.
Total geographical area of Manipur 90% of single level lamsi. Any citizen of India must settle to Boyade. But the constitution of protection period 1960 parliament passed out of the gate. Must communication, lack of communication, advantage for what Padaki, Singi, Sinam say, development that backward way high now, Moisi protection period, Thai high now, the building protection period. Tabaki Lamsidi, Hoi, Singi Lamsu, Tabaki Lamsu, Manipur Leva, Unamakini, Manipur say. Tabaki Lamse, picture of the picture now.
Deputy Chief Minister, on the other hand, expressed concern at various civil society organizations announcing their ban on Manipur Sangay Festival and said it is not the right decision.
Civil society science intolerance. Respect lemak maca ta da kudam ne no ni mana duna masih topikunu ai abin tawjani.
The 29th Manipur University Inter-College Youth Festival 2015 kicked off today at the Centenary Hall of the university. Inaugurating the festival, Chief Secretary O. Nabakishore Singh emphasized the role of youth in a society. He told the students that the way they shape themselves will be the future of the society. Earlier, participants took out a march past in their college uniform. Chief Secretary O. Nabakishore Singh took the salute, the march past, and hoisted the flag of the youth festival. He also released the souvenir of the festival. Vice Chancellor Professor H.N.K. Sharma, teacher of the university, and Art and Culture Commissioner K. Radha Kumar were among those who attended the event. At least 700 students from 25 colleges will compete in 25 events during the 3-day festival. Winners in different events in the festival will participate in the East Zone Inter-University Youth Festival. Competition in Fine Arts was the first event of the festival today.
Such kind of meets bring together students from different parts of the state, and you have a good opportunity to know each other, to become new friends, to interact with each other, to exchange knowledge and ideas. You have to have a beautiful vision which is consistent with your attitude and with your capacity. Unless you have a vision and goal, it will be difficult to reach your goal.
Members of the Indian Red Cross Society Manipur State Branch yesterday condoled the untimely demise of the General Secretary of Indian Red Cross Society, Dr. S.P. Agrawal, Padma Bhushan awardee. Now, for the first time, Manipur State Sumang Lila Council will stage 8 Sumang Lila during this year's edition of Manipur Sangai Festival. Addressing the media today at the office of Manipur State Sumang Lila Council, located at the Palace Compound, Chairman of Subcommittee of Manipur State Sumang Lila Council, Naba Waripa said the main objective of showcasing the performing art is to give awareness about the rich, age-old tradition of Manipur to the outsiders.
Tongan by Kwegi, rich cultural heritage Mayambu, Tapna Mangtarakpa, Mashibu Kanbina Nabagi, Kongtang Amoina, Antarjatigi Oiba, internationally talk the Pangtok Liva, Sikumba Sangai Festival, Sumanglila, Suyogjo Pangba Hibese, Masina, Sumanglila, Asi, international talk the Pukuchan Nabagi, Yamnatang Lava Kudamadi, Pangli, Handaki Sahi Asina, Wahok Do Oiraga, Lakado Riva, Sahi Kayada, Sumanglila, Amadi, rich cultural heritage Mayam Singase, Punna Sakutna Nabagi Lamda, Manipur government and me and Changbira Haibagi, Achet Patajapasu, Tamjeri.
The 14th annual Meritorious Prize distribution of Imphal Public School was held at the school campus at Kanchipur. Meritorious students of 2014 were awarded at the function. A sit-in was staged today demanding release of 5 persons arrested from Kongba Makha, Nandai Bamlaikai and Uchekon in connection with the Mohammad Hasbat Ali case. The sit-in was staged at Kongba Makha, Nandai Bamlaikai, organized by Kongba, Uchekon, Apunba Club and Maira Paibi. One of the protesters said Hasbat Ali was killed by a mob, but police have arrested 5 innocent persons, which is very unfortunate.
Apunba Lupsina, Masakti Honadana, Mrs. Gimatanga, Ekoyam Kana Hona Zabani, Hasmat Ali Hariba, Mio Sigi J. Sina, Numit Kudingi. Akoi nataba mayam phong duna akoi kanglu machen nongai nataba honaba si akoi yaring koi ta honjaning de lekai sidagi phaki ba mioi singa che pungkum narigi manungda thadok piu haina akoi gi makai dagi sarkar gi makai da thamjari thadok dargade mera pai bi club sing punchalaga akoi angam sakti honadana hairiba mara lejadaba mioi singa si thadok naba akoi akanba makhal kaya gi khongjang changchen gene.
All Tribal Leaders Consultative Committee today claimed that the 3 bills passed by the State Assembly to protect the indigenous people of Manipur was based on false documents. Asserting that the 3 bills, Manipur People's Protection Bill 2015, MLR and LR 7th Amendment Bill 2015 and Shops and Establishment 2nd Amendment Bill 2015 were not for the protection of the indigenous people, but rather bills to wipe out the indigenous people. All Tribal Leaders Consultative Committee challenged the state government, members of the drafting committee and all the 57 MLAs who passed the bill. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club, member of the committee and former parliamentarian and legislator B.D. Bering said Manipur People's Protection Bill mentioned that people living in the state from 1951 or listed in the village directory of 1951 will be termed as indigenous people. Bering, however, said there are no names of the people given in the 1951 census report or village directory. Only names of the village chiefs, and the number of houses that pays tax are given. He then questioned how and which people will be classified as indigenous people based on such a report. He urged the government to withdraw the bill and draft a new one which will be acceptable to all.
Karamba report adu de yeng laga Manipur ke yel home ya seng badu karamba no hai na khal laga pass seng badori bano karamba mi wa du yel home oi ga brano adom ki pa adom ki madho do leifam che se report se thi ba phangdre aba ta bo port adu na le hai ra ka sem ba bill adu oi bata da di adu ki bill adu di charna ba yaroi karam hai na governor na Fajana pada duna president recommend of people. President of India nakari gumma se Asian biraga aya ba pi thok labsu Bharat ke million ke population na minam bata ro idra.
Assam, the San Milita Mahasangha has reacted strongly against the Home Ministry's guideline, asking anyone interested in meeting Irom Chanu Sharmila to deposit ₹1 lakh and seek its prior permission. Addressing media at Manipur Press Club, Assam San Milita Mahasangha President Matiur Rahman said Irom Sharmila is not a criminal activist. Matiur Rahman demanded Home Ministry to remove the guidelines, saying it is against human rights. He said they have written to Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh and Union Minister of State for Home Affairs Kiren Rijiju regarding the matter. Matiur Rahman said they have also written to United Nations Organization Secretary General Ban Ki-moon asking not to give permanent UNSC seat to India.
Near about 60,000 indigenous boys and girls killed by the Indian Army by the help of the AFSPA. British imposed this draconian act, draconian law, same copy of the draconian law of the British, this AFSPA. She is not a criminal activist, she is a human rights activist. So this should not be imposed in Sharmila. She is a human rights activist, so everybody should allow to meet her. Till today we are running 3 cases in the Supreme Court against the government of India. We have written everything to Ban Ki-moon, the Secretary General. What is going on in Assam and the Northeast?
Innovative Youth Society today returned an award given by Manipur government for promoting indigenous food item during Manipur Sangai Festival. Addressing media, President Segarot Kojeng Hazari Laikai, Deputy Managing Director Kangabam Mahesh said the newly formed Manipur Sangai Festival Organizing Committee has not only suppressed the society but also de-recognized it. He said Innovative Youth Society had sent a proposal requesting authorities not to charge on opening of stalls, but this time too the authorities are charging ₹10,000 for opening of stalls, which will impact poor entrepreneurs.
Stall register tawbi matang da online da submission to hon ba hai basi maksu imai bill sing chita yamna mawong ta da ba makoi gi policy ama khakni internet pai ba paisa nungsa chaw sang kaino mayam asida madu moi bu hene attract to ba amadi makoi na apam mawong da chan mirai nai raga stall sing che allocate to ba yana ba sem program ni mamang da government na recognition pb ki ba sakhang che citation memento certificate na ching ba sing honor sing ado koi lagli ba November ki tang kun sida tourism ki director ki kutang da koi sarkar da
Sagolban MLA R.K. Imo today inaugurated a new building of Kakulong Balwari School established in 1960. The new building was inaugurated with traditional rituals and attended by IMC Councillor Karangchonglu Gangmai and village chief of Kakulong Ginbonlung Gangmai among others. Speaking to media, R.K. Imo said development works are being taken up in the constituency with the development fund available for the constituency. Blacktopping of Wahingbam Lekai Road also began day after Ningol Chakoba to ease off the inconveniences faced by the people.
Maning labi ujikanna semgalai drain changalai ujik sakachina semgalatna machi drain se once akoi ahambagi mogi compensation me ampi dana khotna first akoi gi sigi anu bahai tare anu handak thugai gi bahai tare loction gi land compensation masidi amna supi ba loin loiner banina masi loisla padadi lambi kolas ka thadana phajana semdana masida maning olaptana hayeng dukan ga phamdana kakulong sidi aroi bada ai wakhandadi paidagi prime area da leirabani aduna masi phajana sisinabada sida leiriba mayam sidi pesa loin pairani.
A team of Imphal West Police Reserve Line arrested a man with a piece of heroin drug, popularly known as number 4, during a frisking at Kaisampat near Pauna International Market this afternoon around 4:30. The person has been identified as Thangjam Arun, 22 years old, son of Thangjam Biren of Khongjom, at present living at Tera Khamnam Lerak. He has been handed over to City Police Station. Now, Sky Hospital and Research Center for the first time in Manipur conducted an open heart surgery successfully and saved a 10-year-old girl from Tamenglong who has congenital heart disease. A team led by Chairman of Cardiac Science, BLK Super Specialty Hospital, New Delhi, Dr. Ajay Kaul and Dr. L. Sam Kishore of Sky Hospital conducted the operation to mend a hole in the girl's heart. The operation lasted for about 1 hour. Speaking to media, Dr. L. Sam Kishore said open heart surgery facilities are now available in Sky Hospital with half the cost compared to such operation done outside the state. Dr. Ajay Kaul said Sky Hospital becomes the hospital which can conduct open heart surgery with international facilities, not only in Manipur, but also in the entire Northeast.
The dream of people of Manipur to have open heart surgical facilities in Manipur has come true today. The operation has been performed successfully at Sky Hospital today and she is recovering.
For those people who otherwise could not afford to go out of Manipur, and that is what is a big achievement. When I went inside the operation theatre and the infrastructure and facilities which I saw are as good as what I have at Escorts Heart or my hospital in Delhi. I am sure that if he continues to do this hard work, this place will become a hub for complex heart operations in whole of Northeast.
46-year-old Sinam Oken Meite from Thawal Kiam Sifai, Babu Bazar, succumbed to his injury at Raj Medicity around 11 this morning. Sinam Oken Meite was admitted to the hospital on the 11th of this month after he was hit by a car. It may be recalled that on the night of November 11, a Centro car rammed into a group of people who were enjoying gambling lagao at Thawal Kiam Babu Bazar on National Highway 102, Imphal More Road. 6 persons were killed while 7 others including Sinam Oken Meite sustained injuries. With the death of Oken Meite, the toll in the mishap has reached 7. Yumkai, an interior and exterior design and construction solution, launches a one-stop store at CVN Building, New Chekon. Yumkai, formerly known as Eastern Ceramics, will provide a wide range of premium home finishing materials for exterior and interior design and construction solution, landscaping solution, and a thematic room design. Wildcraft today opened its new showroom in Imphal in association with MSR and Sons Enterprises at Wangkai Ninthem Pukri Mapal. The showroom will be catering the need of adventure lovers and travel enthusiasts in the state. Their products include backpacks, rucksacks, duffel bags, sleeping bags, campus gears, tents, adventure gears, etc. The Wildcraft will be offering introductory discount on a range of bags and backpacks during the Sangai Festival.
Manipur as such is a hub for outdoors. Is like we're having different festivals, the terrain, the geographical location. So the products will suit this place and they are really awesome. This place had been untapped for quite some time. And now that we have come with the help of this firm RN Sons to Imphal, and I'm very happy to know that they are going to have a soft launch today, and in coming 2-3 months we are going to ramp up with some more number of stores.
S. Memadevi Memorial Trust today launched S. Memadevi Packaged Drinking Water. As part of the launch, the Trust extended financial help to 5 widows and presented them a shawl, citation and 1 rice bag each. S. Memadevi Memorial Trust Secretary S.H. Sukhdev Sharma said 50 widows above 60 years of age under Kaisamthong Assembly constituency will be given monthly financial help of Rs200 from April 14 next year by the Trust. He said 12 students who scored high marks in class 10 and 12 in 2016 examination will also be rewarded. Sukhdev said the Trust is providing Rs200 monthly stipend to 20 differently able persons of Ragini Mahikol located in Lamshang.
एस मेमा देवी मेमोरियल ट्रस्ट की मरुइबा पांदमदी अखोई लुखराबी सिंहबु अखोई सौगतपा तोला तारबा लुखराबी सिंह कनामता लेजद्रबा सिंथोक लंबी लेत्रबा अवाना तारबा लुखराबी सिंहबु सौगतलगा मखोइदा ngamjaba खरदंग मतेंग पांगदुना अखोई मखोइगी इमुंग मनुंगी अमदी मागी हिंगबगी लंबीदा अखोइना मतेंग पांगबसिना ट्रस्ट की मरुइबा पांदमनी ngasi पुथोकचरेबा मेमा पैकेज ड्रिंकिंग वाटर इसिंग asi dagi phangakpa percentage 30% नत्रगा 40% दे कोई मसी प्रॉफिट तगी 40% है कोई ट्रस्ट ना कोई ट्रस्ट है कोई पिजरगा मसी ने कोई लेबा की अचो अचो इशू लाको सिंग मरो इन लुखराबी सिंग दे कोई मसी की पैसा दगी कोई पिजगनी.
Time now for another short commercial break. Keep watching Impact News.
मानो नुंतगी चारिब मरु मरांग याव चिंजाकसिंग सियंग मसिन हक्चांगी पांगल अमदि लिवर सोहन बतना तना पुक नाबा एसिडिटी चाब तुमदबन चिंबा क्या नारकलिया
इमाना पिरक हक्चांग आमथुकनब हिदाक लैरिसिदी लिप्से नमानब सिंग नुंतिगी पार्टी सांगा चाद्रबदी सुक्या मग्यादब्रा अदुमना खंगद्र माले मसिना पुक नाब थिनबगी अवाब थोहनबा याय
लिप्सब नुंतिगी चाबना एसिडिटी चाब तुमदबा खोंग हाबा यादब फली अदुगा चाकसु लामले
लिवर बु फरबदी पुंसिसु सुपर हिट ओइरे.
Welcome back once again from the break. United Writers Forum Manipur Bishnupur today presented the biennial Kabir Ratna Award 2014 to Dr. Ranjit Mangang. The award is given to writers who have dedicated more than 30 years in writing. The event was held at Mission Compound in Bishnupur Ward number 7. The award consists of a citation, memento and rupees 3,000. Paintings by differently abled T.H. Sarju Devi were put on display today at an exhibition organized by Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur, at Awang Kuno Youth Union Club. Around 100 paintings of T.H. Sarju, 32 years, daughter of Thokchom Gokul, and Apapi of Awang Kuno Maning Lekai were on display. She got her execution under the guidance of Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur, under Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan Scheme, ZEO Zone 1. Lamsang MLA W. Brajabidhu, Commissioner Disabilities L. Nabakishore, and former President of Relief Center for Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur, C.H. Opendro, were among others who attended at the exhibition.
Okay, differently oriba meeting mayamna handabagi wakalama adum khanbiyeba akhoi nomen pasalama dagi kasu tadanaba hingnaba akhoi angamba sakti ma tawjaraga akhoi differently oriba jingja mayamdagi henge hab wakhan sigtane khanjab
disable kamu singsigu chu tongana akhoi hiram kuding makta akhoi mokhoi singsibu akhoi gi chamana level pukotna ba akhoi mayam kan honadana akhoi social awareness tawdana media gi through the mass to mass, people to people contact tawdana kan honadana moi bisu akhoi prognama akhoi kanoni sarkar ge pandam lai.
Ziliarong Film Forum Manipur in a press note asked the production house, film directors and film related persons who are producing Ziliarong films to affiliate to the forum. Now, the Supreme Court today asked all states and union territories to submit by the month end their quarterly reports with the center on issues, including registration of birth to ascertain the girl-child ratio in the country. A bench of Justices Deepak Mishra and Shiva Kriti Singh expressed unhappiness over non-filing of reports by various states under Rule 18A of Preconception and Prenatal Diagnostic Techniques, Prohibition of Sex Selection Rules. It said the appropriate authorities shall submit quarterly progress report to the Government of India, to the state government on the 10th day of succeeding month after a quarter. Two persons were dead in Paris seas, including women who blew herself up. Shooting broke out today in the northern suburb of Paris during an anti-terrorist police operation 5 days after the worst attacks in French history that killed 129 people in the capital. Police raided the suspected Paris attack mastermind Abdelhamid Abouad during an anti-terrorist police operation. Sources said there was an exchange of gunfire during the operation in Saint Denis. SWAT team, army, police were part of the raid. The police raid began around 4:30 a.m. local time. Police said the suspects were holed up in a raided apartment in northern Paris. A source close to the operation said several policemen were wounded in the raid. The area is home to Stade de France, one of the several places hit by the gunmen and suicide bombers on Friday in the worst ever attack on French soil, which was claimed by the Islamic State jihadist group. Now in sports news, KHVYDC Khongsai Veng trounced SFC Sector 40, FCC Uyumpok beat EUSC Telo 2-0, CSC Chanung beat YBC Langdum 2-0 and JMS Mapau Kulen thrashed SAIPO Haikak Mapal 6-0 in the Nahakpam Apabi Memorial Junior Football League tournament. The tournament is organized by Imphal East District Football Association at Social Worker Congress Ground, Kongman. 26th Ngangbi Maharani Dhanamanjuri Kang tournament organized by Manipur Kang Association will begin from tomorrow at Manipur Kangshang Kumal Lampak Sports Complex. AKU Thangmeban and Nicole Nilakuthi will play in the opening match. Now before we wind up, here's a quick reminder of the headlines once again. Much to the delight of the people, Chief Minister inaugurates Sanjentong Bridge. Gaikangam described the day as historic. Bharatiya Janata Party slams Congress of inaugurating Sanjentong Bridge in apprehension of defeat in the upcoming by-elections. Chief Minister Okrami Bobi Singh opens Tribal Cultural Festival, describes Manipur as mini India. And Manipur University Youth Festival kicks off. 700 students from 25 colleges of Manipur to compete in 25 events in the festival.